Okay guys, so in this video we are going to be learning how to check if your website is using WordPress or not, and also to check what themes and plugins they are using. So in case you have seen a good website, like you have seen a very fine website that you want to check if the website is actually using WordPress or using another tool or something like that, you can always check. In case you saw a feature or a feature, let's just say a feature, then you want to know which plugin they are using to, you can also use this tool to check. Now there are plenty of tools you can use to check it, but today we are going to be going through the one I like using, which is what we call isitwp. So they have a free WordPress theme detector. So it's a tool that helps you to check if your website is built with WordPress, to check the WordPress theme it is using and other plugins. Now, the thing about this tool is it cannot just list all the plugins that the site is using, and very rarely does it actually get the theme wrong. There are sometimes it gets it wrong, but usually most of the time it gets it correct. So today I'm going to be testing it with this my site. Let me go to the home page and copy the link. So all you just need to do is copy the link of any site you want to check. So you can see it is isitwp.com. You head over to the website, paste the link here, and analyze. So it will analyze the site and give you, it even gives you the hosting provider in case you want to see that. So it has scanned it, it has told me it is using WordPress, as you can see. Hosting provider, who is details, and the theme. It's saying the theme does not exist in database. So like I said before, there are sometimes it just doesn't get it right, because you can see from the theme, from the website here, the theme I'm actually using is the default 2023 theme. So there are sometimes it just doesn't get it right. I mean, you can always use scan if you want. Then WordPress plugins too, it doesn't really show anything because it didn't scan it well, but it got the part that it is using WordPress. Let me try another site that I'm sure is using WordPress. This site is using WordPress. So just copy the link of the site, head back here, paste it here, and analyze. So you can see it is using WordPress, which is correct. The title of the site, the hosting provider, the who is details. Now you can see for this one, it actually got the theme correctly. It uses Cadence theme, so it is still scanning for plugins, but it didn't really give any plugin, but it got the theme. So there are sometimes it just doesn't get it right, there sometimes it doesn't list out anything, but the part that it will show you if it is using WordPress or not, this is actually going to be correct. Now let me look for a site that is not using WordPress. Let me see. I think let's just see if facebook.com. Facebook is not using WordPress, so let's analyze Facebook, and you can see it is not using WordPress. So it's not giving you any other detail because it's not using WordPress. So this tool can just help you scan any website to check if it is using WordPress or not. It can give you the theme they are using, can also give you some plugins that they are using. It doesn't always get it right, but most of the time it does. So if you found this video useful, consider subscribing.